Hello everyone and welcome back to my channel. My name is Caitlin from Florals.com, and today, as you can tell, we have a lot going on. I know this is very late, but this is my September How to Kill a Kit with Style kit share. As you guys, most of you guys might know, I was displaced for a bit of a week because of Hurricane Dorian. We evacuated, we came back. Everything's all good, luckily, and now I'm finally getting around to making and filming my September kit for you guys. If you guys are interested, I put together my entire embellishment kit over with my patrons over on Patreon, and I'll have a link down below in case you guys want to check that out and join us over there. But I'm going to do a rapid fire showing you guys what's in my kit. To get started, we're going to just move half this stuff out of the way. Let's get started with the papers first. I think that's usually where a lot of people start. I am not one of those people. I tend to start with embellishments first. So, in terms of paper, I have the Trade Winds Matte Stack from DCWV, Pink Paisley Outfitters 6x6, the Cool Kid by Crate Paper 6x6, the KI Memories Berry Blast, and then the Lawn Fawn Knock on Wood 6x6 wood grain paper pad. These are where I started. I knew I wanted to use this paper pad and this paper pad when I started. Then I found that these two are pretty fall, and then this one has the oranges and yellows that I need to create everyday pages. And you guys did vote over on the YouTube community tab that you guys wanted to see a fall color schemed kit. Now, I don't have a lot of fall photos to scrapbook, so it's going to be very hard to use a lot of these papers, these themed papers, on non-themed pages, but we're going to do it, and it's going to be fun. So I do have 5 paper pads, and I would love to finish this one. It's only 3 sheets. And I mentioned this in my Patreon video, but I think I'm going to be making a lot of cards this month. And I know I still haven't done my September announcement or my fall announcement for our new series, but it will come out after you guys see this. It'll be the next video, I believe. So stay tuned for that because things are going to be a little bit different this month, but I'm really excited to share that with you. Next up is the Happy Fall Paper Pad by Craftsmith. Really great paper pad. I use this every year. Every time I have a fall themed page, it's always this paper pad. But like I said, it's very themed, most of the pages at the very least. But I'm excited to use it. It is binder clipped together because it has fallen apart already. Then I have my one Halloween paper pad. This is the Bewitched paper pad from DCWV. And now that I'm thinking about it, I thought I was only going to have this kit for 1 month, but I think it might also roll into October at the very least since I do have so much Halloween in it. But we'll see what we can get done in September. If not, I'll probably switch it up a little bit for October. But anyway, if you haven't seen this paper pad before, it's quite old, but it's very Halloween. Like this one can get away plain, not Halloween. This one as well. But a lot of them are very, 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 very themed. And I love it. I've had this for years and years, and I'm still working through it. So I'll try to get some of that done, at least on some cards. And then we have some loose papers that I pulled out. Just this one. Most of these I have no idea where they're from because they're so old, but this one says 2006 Stampin' Up! Down here, so it must be something from them. So that's like an olive green. This one's an orange, but it says meow, hiss, mew, purr all over it for cats. And this is from Studio Calico Baxter Collection. And I'm sorry everything's so close. I did rearrange my room and I'm still getting used to the new setup, but I hope you guys don't mind. Then I have this like burgundy plum colored coordinations cardstock. This just reminds me of the deep reds that you usually see throughout the season. Then we have this nice like burnt brown color. Then I have this embossed craft basil paper, so it's embossed with polka dots. Then I have this like forest green cardstock just from my stash. And then I have this pumpkin spice orange. This one's also, I believe, from Stampin' Up! One sheet of craft paper. I might bring in more of this. Craft paper is my absolute favorite when it comes to fall. This paper I'm pretty sure is from the 90s, one of those scrapbooking kits that has all the papers you need for a year round. Who remembers those? But that little cutie will hopefully go into some cards. This is called Simple Stories Vintage Blessing from Homespun Happiness. This is the only paper I own from this collection. I adore the polka dot side, but I think I might have to try to use this side or maybe split it in half and make one page. We'll see what we can do with that. And then the last cardstock paper I have is this Patterned Coordinations orange polka dot. It looks very red on camera, but I promise it's orange. So those are all the 12 by 12 papers I picked. Like I said, it's big, but it's not big. And I think if you guys are okay with it rolling over into October, let me know in the comments down below if you're in a Halloweeny mood already or if it's just me. But I did have this. This is new to my stash, but it's a very old item. This is the Webster's Pages Storytellers Timeless Letters. I don't think there's a year on this, but essentially it's like a Halloween color scheme of letters. I wish there was a year on this. I got a Webster's Pages like grab box thing that said it had like 5 12 by 12 sticker sheet letters, and this is one of them. So really excited to have this and use this. And it does fold in half, which I'm not doing right now because I want to get some use out of it before I do. Okay, then on to embellishments. We'll start with the big embellishments and then move into my tray after. 3 stamp sets, not usually meant for scrapbooking. These will probably be card stamp sets. Especially since I don't have a ton of fall photos to document. A lot of these pages will be fall color schemes with non-fall photos. So these will probably be used on some cards, some Newton's Nook Pumpkins, some W+9 Thankful stamp set, and then a Lawn Fawn Little Pie Thanksgiving stamp set. These are the Crepe Paper Open Road banners. I've included these in a ton of kits. This time I'm determined to finish them off. Some Illustrated Faith Bright and Brave tabs. I love the olive green and the orange and yellow in this collection, so I figured those might be useful. Some pretty little studio alphabets, just some nice wood grain, really great for so many fall pages and fall themed pages. Some Jelly Bean Soup coordinating label stickers in the Spicy Social Soup. Guys, I've had these for so long. These are 2014. I could put a major dent in these stickers this month, hopefully. Lots of greens and reds to use and some oranges as well. I pulled these in and I'm still undecided. These are the Cabin Fever Simple Stories chipboard stickers. Mainly I pulled them in for the circle rounds and the pine cones and trees. I don't think I have any camping photos, but if I do, these will come in handy. And then this one's sort of left field. It's very pastel, but I really love the green and the yellow in this section of these Farmhouse Stew label stickers. So I pulled this in, and I like that there's another alphabet to choose from as well. Then one thing I didn't go over with my patrons, but I finally found, were my Halloween stickers. This is where I keep all of my Halloween stickers, and I'll just do a quick flip through. Most of you guys have seen all of these. A couple of these are new from last year, I believe. And I will be doing a Halloween giveaway this year, so keep your eyes open for that on my channel. I have a ton of Halloween goodies that I've been hoarding and do not use, not including these ones. I have more, and when I do find things on clearance, like some of these were sent to me by some lovely friends, so like this one and this one were sent to me and I really want to use them. Those are from last year. Halloween washi tape, 3D stickers, glitter stickers, October afternoon Halloween, like how cool is that? And then some dollar store Halloween stuff. So I really like these felt leaves. And then I have some pretty banners and die cut doilies. So that's my Halloween stuff. It's there, probably won't use it that much, but I just wanted to share that with you guys. Now onto my embellishment tray. This is new, I have not used it before, but it is from an old, it's from a yard sale first off, but it's from one of those wooden doll sets. So you get a wooden doll and then all of their different accessories magnetized on top of them. So that's kind of what it's from. But I like that it's wooden and durable and it holds my washi tape wonderfully. I think that's so cute. But it doesn't hold big things very well, as you can tell, so we'll just dive into it. I ended up throwing in a lot of new things. I placed a Freckled Fawn order recently, and this is pretty much all that I got from it. And I put it all in here. It was all like things on clearance from their fall lines. So I ended up including all of them. These little yellow alphabets are precious. Then I also have some oldies but goodies. These puffy sticker stars. This is the beautiful pocket page letter my friend sent to me. It's so cute. I love it so much. Like, just, that's so, so cute. And there are little goodies inside the back. So if you look here, there's washi tape, there's stickers, die cuts. What's this called? Sequin mix. So I'd love to use some of that this month, just because it's been sitting here for a year and I haven't touched it. More Freckled Fawn goodies, some gold foiled arrows, Pretty Little Studio label cut-aparts, some Studio Calico heart stickers, Paper House 3D puffy cameras. Again, trying to put in something there that's a little less, you know, super themed. I have this. This is also from a recent order from Blitzy, which I don't think I did any hauls of it on it. It was when they were doing their giant warehouse sale. I think this was like 50 cents. This is the Dewdrop in Northern Pine, so a nice dark green. Can't wait to try that out. 3 twines and 3 ribbons. So I have orange and white twine, black and orange, and then orange. I have this black and white vertical stripe, and then I have these 2. So this one's more of a trim, but it's just some leaves, and then this one's some feathers. Let me move those out of the way. A new die cut pack. This is the Illustrated Faith Tabbies. I picked this up at Michael's a while back, and I still use the black and white ones. I have a bazillion little die cuts. I went through my stash and picked them out via color, because that's how I currently have my loose die cuts organized. So oranges and yellows in here, and then greens in here. Tons of little bits. I have flare, I have wood veneer, I have little wood veneer pumpkins, I have paper clips, I have this freckled fawn rubber shape, all sorts of fun things in there. So like little embellishments go in here. And then so many washi tapes, guys. But I did include all my Halloween washi, so it took up a big chunk. And then I have 2 Thanksgiving washies, and then the rest are like all of my orange and red washies. But I did include yellow. I didn't have any greens that I liked like at all, so I decided not to include any of those this time around. But that was my quick show of everything in my September, probably October as well, kit. Very fall themed, and like I said, not many fall photos to scrapbook, so be prepared to see some crazy ideas for how to use all these color schemes on non-themed pages. Let me know if you guys are excited. Again, a September announcement is coming for the new series that's starting since Summer of Stories is now over and we've moved on into the fall realm, and I think you guys are going to like it. But thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed this kit share. Please check out everyone else linked down below. They did their kit shares on time this month, unlike me, and you guys can check out their great inspiration that they've already been providing with their beautiful pages they've already created. But again, I hope you guys enjoyed this kit share. Thank you guys so much for watching, and I will see you guys again soon. Bye!